Please like and
cards.
subscribe with the pack. Thank you.
Oh, we have 5 cards again. Seems like there's something wrong here. We are not another 5 cards. So it says that it's we only have 4 cards per pack. So okay. Anyway, that's a good one. That's a good mistake. Okay, Caitlin Clark, no, Serminara. Okay, one of my favorite, Alex Pereira. Hopefully he come back strong. He win again. Championship. Farid, so this is rookie. Farid Basharat, featherweight rookie. And on our sepia, we have a rookie again, Waldo Cortez Acosta of sepia.